half a cup of chocolates and mix in some milk. So we got like a nice melted chocolate and we drizzle the cookie. This is the final touch.
Welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. We're back. It's reminder, August is Italian month.
July.
Shut up. My special guests again are the beautiful Yvette and the beautiful Tori. And Mama Debz is going to take a wine break and they're going to make cannoli cookies for you guys. There you go, girls.
All right. Do you want to read off the ingredients that we have? We start with what's in them. Let's just like first say what all the ingredients are and then we'll say.
They have no idea.
I don't know why we were left alone with her show, but here we are.
Okay, so we got a cup.
What is this? This is a cup of sugar and a cup of butter.
Then we have half a cup of ricotta cheese and 2 eggs.
Some orange zest, cinnamon, and vanilla.
Then some salt, baking powder, baking soda, not powder.
No, both of them.
Oh, both.
Yeah.
Baking soda and baking powder.
And salt.
And salt.
And flour, chocolate chips, and pistachios. So to start, we are going to combine the
Sugar and the
sugar
butter.
and butter until it's nice and fluffy and smooth. Is this locked already?
I don't
Okay.
know how to use this thing. It's
Shocker.
gonna go flying everywhere. Oh, look at you go. You're doing good.
Thanks. We may need to like scrape off the sides every once in a while. Maybe.
Whoa.
Let's see. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I didn't know how that worked.
Broke.
It's not broken.
We got this, guys. Don't freak out, okay?
Do they need my help?
We're making cannolis. Holy cannolis.
Cannoli cookies. Which I don't know what those are, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so you don't want to do it too much because the heat of the mixing could like really melt the butter, I think. I think I've read that somewhere. So now we are gonna add in the ricotta cheese. How much is it? Half a cup? Half a cup. And then 2 eggs.
Oh,
You really want to make sure you get some on the side of the bowl.
it gives that authentic taste.
That at-home taste.
Yeah. Maybe some eggshells too. A little crunch in here.
And then we'll combine that as well. I don't like to use a high mix because then I just feel like it makes a mess. So we'll do some
Orange zest and brown sugar in here.
No, cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon, sorry. Just making my own cannoli over
Did
here.
you say how much? Is it like a teaspoon, tablespoon? It's, yeah, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Wait, we didn't do that yet. Where are
Right
we?
there.
It's
3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of fresh orange zest. I personally like cinnamon, so if you want to like do more than that, go ahead. I might sneak in some more also.
Get real confident as the shows go on.
Changing my
Well,
recipe.
see, I'm
She's
more
a
used.
baker.
I'm a
She's a
baker.
baker.
I like cookies. I hate cookies more than I.
Okay, vanilla extra.
Yeah, you could add the vanilla in. Very good.
You're not supposed to drop the whole thing in.
You really want to be careful not to drop the whole thing in. I do that sometimes.
We add this part.
And then, yeah, I think
We're gonna add the salt, baking powder, baking soda, and baking flour.
Flour.
so. It's 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt.
I'm just good at pouring.
And then we'll slowly add in the flour. And this is, how much flour is this? This is 2 cups of flour.
We're gonna add
What are we doing?
chocolate
Now we're
chip.
going to take it off.
Okay. Do we add the chocolate chip?
Yeah, you're going to stir it in though. You're not going to blend everything.
Let me take this off. Then you just scrape all
Yeah,
of this
scrape
off.
all that off and then add the chocolate chips and the pistachios.
Both of these chocolate chips?
No, just that big one.
All of the chocolate chips.
No, that small one is to top them. Okay, it's sticky. We're gonna fold in some of the chocolate chips.
Oh shoot. Probably should pour it out on that thing.
This is sticky. It's supposed to be sticky? Probably, right?
Yes.
Yeah, let's
Oh
go.
my goodness. Well, we'll have one of the boys clean that. Danny, do you want to lick this?
Oh, it's good.
This is so sticky. I think we have to let it chill for like an hour in the fridge, right?
No. Does it
That's
say
what
that?
says.
Oh, it does?
Uh-huh. It's really like sticky, so I think it would be better consistency. Ugh.
She doesn't read the
Do
recipe.
I add the pistachio now too?
Who, me?
No, I
Mama
think
Debz
that's
doesn't
for
read the whole
the.
recipe.
I think
Okay, so
that's
they're
like
going to
to
let
top
it chill. I think they've done a great job. I'm still drinking my wine. We're going to let it chill, and when we come back, the cookies will be in the oven, and we'll show you the end result.
Is there more
Serve
chocolate
with cup
chips?
of
Yeah, there's more
chips
chocolate chips.
I like a
and
lot.
pistachios.
So we
Okay,
do
don't
put them
forget
in?
to like,
Yeah.
comment,
Wait,
share,
wait.
subscribe.
We messed up.
We have to add the
We
pistachios.
do need to add the pistachios.
That's why reading's important, friends. Thank you. Side hands, assistance. Stir, stir, stir.
These two walking in the kitchen and shit. What are you doing?
All right. I
Okay.
think that's good. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's double check.
Refrigerate for the dough for at least 1 hour. Cover and refrigerate the dough for at least 1 hour.
Welcome back to Mama Debz Kitchen. The girls did a great job.
Yeah.
The cookies are ready.
What kind of cookies are they?
These are the cannoli cookies. So after we made our batter, we cooked them at 375 for 8 to 11 minutes. And then we got half a cup of chocolates and mixed in some milk. So we got like a nice melted chocolate and we drizzled the cookie. And this is the final touch.
Okay, we have a new taste tester in the house. Here comes Chance.
Yeah! Cheers!
Okay, turn around and face the camera and take a bite and tell.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna exit for a second.
Is it good? What does
Do you
it
taste a little
like?
bit of orange in it?
Yeah, the citrus.
Yep.
What else do you taste?
Chocolate.
Thank
Chocolate, citrus.
Thank you, man.
you.
Yeah.
You can go eat your cookie. We'll end it. Okay, here's what they did. They did a great job. I didn't even have to help them with this escapade. Now everybody's coming in to try cookies.
No, you are shitting on our cookies. No cookie for you. No cookie for you.
Italian month. Everything's Italian and easy. Join us next week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.